So hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to activate your new TracFone. So how to do this, let's get started. First what you need to do is get over to this website tracfone.com/home and then just click on this activate button. Once you do this, just click on according to your needs. If you want to keep your own phone, just click on this button, and then if you want a new phone, just click on this button. Once you do this, enter the details according to your needs again. Just select any one of them which you want, and then make sure you read this correctly. And once you complete these steps, under 1 hour your phone will be automatically activated. So yes, this is how you can do it. If your problem still occurs, make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.